G'day guys, David back again from Be Skill Be Fit. Welcome to Flashback Friday. We're going to have a look at the week, how we travelled through the week. Hope you had a great week. Hope you really enjoyed the videos. Hope you found them beneficial. Hope you're learning and practicing your skills. We want you to get better and better and better. It's not just a one-off video. We want you to keep going, keep practicing, get better and better. Alright, so remember Monday this week, we did our overarm throw. So remember our step point throw. Remember we need to be side on, we need to have our elbow up. Really important that our elbow is up so that we can throw nice and hard. If we have our elbow down, remember, we just do little baby throws. So remember with our overarm throw, we want to throw hard first. So we really want to get that power happening. So throw really hard and then we bring it back and start working on our accuracy. So let's have a quick look at the key points from Monday. Feet together, hands by my side. Step, point, remember up nice and straight, elbow up nice and high, pointing, looking at the target, and throw. Okay, so remember, keep on practicing those things. Remember, still our same words as in our underarm throw. Underarm throw, remember we're step point throw coming straight through. Overarm throw, still step point throw, but we're side on to our target. Elbow up nice and high so we can throw really hard. Remember also our follow through. So our arm comes down past the other side of our body. So nice and hard, throw it really hard. Keep challenging yourself with them. So remember, we can change up the games, we can change up the drills. So give yourself a bigger distance. Run in faster. Have someone chase you. Keep score of how you're going. Did you hit the stump? Did you just get it in the goal, in the target? Remember, we can use our different things. We can use our socks, tennis ball, the recycling bottles, things that you've got at home you can find. Let's have a look at one of the drills, just as a reminder. Okay, fingers down, up, and throw. To stop, fingers down, step point throw. Okay, so keep on practicing. Get out there, run through it again. Do your underarm throw, do your overarm throw. Maybe on some of the same drills, for the first few throws they could be underarm and then you could be overarm. So practice those different things, mix them up. Make sure you're balanced, make sure you're side on if it's overarm, make sure your toes, your eyes, your hands are pointing towards the target. And good luck with your overarm throw. Keep practicing. How did you go with the shell game? Confusing? Could you track it? Did you know where it was? Was it a good break to get away from doing your other work and your other studies? So see if you can trick your family. Keep practicing it, have another go at it, and let's just have a reminder and see if you can pick it this time. We might even make it a little bit harder. Let's see.
The ball is under here. Let's see how you go. Which one is it under?
That was faster, wasn't it? Did you get it that time? We just made it a little bit harder, but keep practicing. Give yourself a break, practice with your family, practice with your friends, keep moving it around, and you'll get better and better and smoother at it. All right, the next thing that we did was our 0 to 60. How did you go with the tennis, table tennis balls? Bouncing them into the thing. How did you go with that? Remember, lots of practice. Practice, practice, practice. The same with our underarm throw, our overarm throw, all of our skills. The more you practice, the better you get at it. So remember, set up a basket, set up a bucket, use different balls. They could be the tennis table balls, they could be bouncy handballs, they could be tennis balls. Whatever you have at home that you can use. Obviously, the socks aren't going to work very well, but whatever you've got at home to use, give it a go. Keep practicing. It's another skill. Let's have a look and check out how we went.
5 seconds left. 2, 1, and time.
So give it another go. See if you can beat your score. Make it a little bit further away each time. Try and keep track of your distances so you know when you're challenging yourself, and keep score of that. Push-up challenge. How did you go? Did you get all 10 done in one go without stopping? Did you do them on your toes? Did you do them on your knees? Remember, you can work up to it. So you can do 2 push-ups if that's all you can do at the moment. Have a little break, try and do 2 more. Next time you come back to the challenge, and we want you to keep coming back to it, see if you can do 3, see if you can do 4, see if you can do 5, see if you can build it up until you can do the 10. But keep practicing. We'll have a look at how the guys are going.
Your back
Just
flat.
as a reminder.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So keep those tummy muscles nice and tight. Arms out and straight, out in front. Nice strong arms. Keep your body straight. Keep practicing. Build up that strength. All right, Workout Wednesday. Anyone else find that a tough session? That was a pretty tough session. We all agreed, all the team agreed that was a pretty tough session. How did you go with it? What was your favorite exercise? My favorite was the gorilla walks. Remember the gorilla walks?
10 more seconds.
That's pretty cool, wasn't it? You could get into a bit of a rhythm, go side to side, keep those arms nice and strong again. All of these things all interact together and help us build our strength. So our push-ups are helping with our gorilla walks will help with our push-ups and so forth. Same with our bunny hops and all those sort of things. If you found the workout pretty hard, remember you can slow it down for yourself. So you could do 15 seconds of the activity and then have a 45-second break. Or if you found it pretty easy and you're super fit, you could do 45 seconds of the exercise and 15 seconds rest. So you can adjust that depending on how you're feeling and how you're going on the day. Remember, it also changes if it's a hot day outside, if you're doing it in the sun, if you're doing it inside, depends on where you're doing it. Depends on how much distance you've got and how far you have to go backwards and forwards. That also makes it a lot harder for you. So you can play around with those sort of things there. Remember to do a cool down at the end, stretch, get yourself ready and recovered for the next session. So remember, you can revisit the workout at any time, okay? So go back to it again, you can go through it again, get some of your family, get some of your friends to do it, see how they go, see if you can keep in time with each other and keep up with each other. So good luck with your workout, give it another crack, and a couple of other fun spots that we found.
And 5, 4, 3.
Pretty cool when Adelaide slipped over, but that's all part and parcel of having a bit of fun and enjoying your activity. Thursday, how did we go with TikTok? With our out of there TikTok, did you learn it? Was it good? How are you going with the steps and the moves? The music was so cool. Let's have a look at the guys doing it.
I'm out there, I'm gone. Big racks, they're long. I'm hot now, I'm on. Said I wouldn't be nothing, I'm gone. I'm out there, I'm gone. Big racks, they're long.
Again, really cool music, isn't it? So keep practicing. Remember, slow it down, get the movements, get the steps, then add the music into it and build it up and you'll get there. Same with our throwing, same with the shell game, same with our push-ups, same with your workout. It's all practice and you get better and better and better, so don't get frustrated. Just try again. You can pause the video at any time, you can press play, and you can go backwards. You can do all of that as many times as you like to keep practicing and keep having to go. We want to see you get better, we want to see you enjoy it. Make sure you're enjoying the sessions and the videos and make sure you're improving your skills. So thanks again, we had a great time this week delivering all the videos to you. We hope you have a great weekend. Remember, you could do a couple of the sessions over the weekend as well, and we look forward to seeing you next week.